how to sell data bundle in Ghana and make over 1,500 cedis each day. Okay, so we have several platforms. I'm going to show you 3 of them, and the first one is VTU Empire. Over here you can sign up and then buy data bundle in bulk. Okay, not only data, airtime as well in bulk, and then resell it for a cool price. Okay, so you buy it cheap, then you sell it high. So on this platform, the VTU Empire, you can see they have various prices. The amount is in naira, but you can't convert it into cedis to know the cedi price. Okay, so you can check the gigabytes and then the amount and then the days. So when you buy it in bulk, you can simply resell it. Okay, just simply click on shop now and you can buy it. Not only MTN, we have Airtel, Glow, and the rest. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come here and then click on register. So when you click on the register, you go through a short application process by simply typing in your full name, your username, then your email address, an active email address, then a phone number, because you verify your phone number. Okay, and then you put in your address over here. Then if you have any referral, you put in the name over here. Then you select a password, you confirm your password, you come here and then you check the box to agree to their terms, and then you click on sign up. Okay, it is as easy as ABC. So the next platform that we are going to talk about is Zendig. Okay, so over here too, it gives you the same opportunity to buy data in bulk. Not only data, airtime as well. You buy them in bulk, then you sell it to get the difference. Okay, so you buy them cheap, then you sell them high to get your profit. So you can do this. You can even top up airtime over here. Okay, on this same platform. They also provide you 24/7 helpline support, so that if you encounter anything, you can check them. So all that you have to do is just click on register, and you can create your account by simply putting your full name here, then you put in your email address, then you put in your phone number, you create a password, you confirm the password, then you set a transaction pin. Okay, a 4-digit pin, so that anytime you want to make any transaction, you can use it. If you have a referral code, you can put the ID here, you check the box to agree to their terms, and then you click on sign up. It is very simple. The next platform that I'm going to talk about is Digiwapi. Okay, so with Digiwapi too, you can also do the exact same thing. You can buy them in bulk. So simply click on get started, and then as you see the top here, just click on create account if you are a new user. Okay, you then go through a sign up process whereby you put in your first name, your last name, then you select your gender by simply clicking on the down arrow to select either you are male or female. Then you put in your date of birth, you put in your email address, you put in your phone number, an active phone number here. Then you select your ID type, either voters, any of them that you have, you select it, then you put the identification number there, you set a password, you confirm the password, then you click on register. Okay, so let's do it. After that, you have to go to your email and then verify, confirm that it was you that was signing up by simply clicking on the link, and then you come here again, then log in again. Okay, so when you log in, you'll be taken to this dashboard. That is your dashboard, but what you have to do is to generate your code. Okay, the code is what you always use to do your transactions. So simply come and then click on generate code. So when you click on generate code, just say yes, I want to generate my code, and when you click on it, they are going to send you a 4-digit code on your phone, the number that you provided. Okay, so over here, when you look at the left hand side, you see that you have your account features. So let me zoom in for you to see. You see your account balance, you see your dashboard, your home, the commission, the transactions, and then you also have the chance to become an agent. You see your wallet, so if you want to add any funds, it is there, and then you see your top ups. So when you click on it, you see that you can top up airtime and then data. So let's click on the data for you to see. You can top up on all these: MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, Glow, any of these. Okay, so it is very user friendly, and you can also change the pin as well. Okay, so when you zoom in to see, you can see that they are giving you the option to become an agent. So you can click on here, and you have the choice to become an agent. But on this platform, it is not free when you are joining to be their agent. They are charging you 50 cedis to join the agents platform, okay? But before you pay the money, I want you to do your own research for. I haven't yet signed up and paid the money to see if it is really true. Okay, so before you pay the money, I highly recommend you do your own research war before you put in your mobile number here and then make payment. It is very important. So after you make the payment, all that you have to do is to buy the data in bulk, just like the other platforms, okay? And then you sell them at a very high price. You take the difference and then you make your profit. So the next thing that you have to do is that after buying the data, where do you get your customers? Where do you sell your data? How do you make the profits and then earn over 1,500 Ghana cedis a day? I'm going to make a next video explaining to you a step-by-step way signing up on different platforms where you will find customers and then sell the data bundle from the comfort of your home without you going outside. Okay, so just like the video and then write in the comments, I want the video on how to get customers, okay? And then click on the subscribe button so that when I release it, you'll be the first person to get it.